Hello everyone. So in today's session, we will be learning about how to swap two variables using a third variable. Okay, we can say how to swap two numbers using a third variable. So first of all, what does the swapping means? The swapping means to exchange two values. How we are going to do that? Let's just check that out. So assume if I have a variable a over here and I have a variable b over here. The value of a I have declared is, say, assume 45, and the value of b is 88. Now this is my question, and the expected output which I am expecting should be that a should be containing the value of 88 and b should be containing the value of 45. That means we have to exchange the values of a and b among themselves. For exchanging the values or for swapping the values, in this scenario, we can definitely use a third variable over here so that we can achieve our output. How will this third variable help? Let's just check that out. So I will declare a third variable as a temporary variable and I will name it as temp because it is a temporary variable and I will just be using for swapping these two variables, nothing than that. What I will do now, I will perform some of the steps that need to be performed exactly in the same order. The first step which I will be doing is I will assign the value of a to this temp variable. This is the first step I will be doing. That is, the value of a, I will be assigning this value of a to temp variable. If I am assigning the value of a to temp variable, it means in this first step, the value of temp will become 45. Now, the second step. In the second step, I will be assigning the value of b to the variable a. I will write it over here. The value of b is being assigned to a. If such thing happens, it means the value of a now has become 88, right? Now the third and the last step. The value of temp is 45, right? And I will assign this value of temp to the b variable. I will write it over here. That is, the temp value will be assigned to the b variable. After doing such thing, the value of temp is 45 and that we are going to assign to this b variable. Voila! And we have got our correct answer. That is, now a is containing the 88 value and b is containing the 45 value. So these are the three important steps which needs to be executed exactly in the same manner. Let us now move on to the coding section. So for swapping the two variables, I will be taking two variables over here. A is equal to 45, b is equal to 88. For the very first step, I have taken a temp variable, and to this temp variable I will be assigning the value of a. In the second step, I will be assigning the value of b to the variable a. And in the third step, I will be assigning the value of temp to this b variable. To just make it clear and ensure that we have actually swapped the values, let us just print the values. So at the initial stage, I will be printing the values of a and b. And after the swapping has been done, I will again print the value. I will be just writing the statement over here, or I can also do it like this. And here also I can do it like this. Now I will just execute this program and let us see. So if you can see, before swapping, the values of a and b are 45 and 88, and after swapping, the values of A and B are 88 and 45 respectively. So in this way, both of these values of these variables have been swapped. Hope you guys understand. Thank you very much.